Have you ever wished for a food container set that caters to your diverse culinary needs, from storing leftovers to meal prepping? JoyJolt presents the joyful 24PC glass food storage containers, a versatile and robust solution designed to transform your kitchen experience. Let's unravel the reasons why Joyful is more than just a set of containers. It's an expression of culinary joy. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Robust, airtight, temperature-tough, and different shapes. When it comes to kitchen storage, one size does not fit all. The Joyful set brings you 12 containers in 9 different shapes and sizes, all crafted from robust borosilicate glass. From rectangular to square and round containers, versatility is the key to meeting your specific storage needs. From freezer to oven and back again, the Joyful containers are not just airtight, they are also freezer safe, oven safe up to 140°F, and dishwasher safe. Store your airtight leftovers, freeze them down, thaw them out in the oven, and when you're done, toss them in the dishwasher for effortless cleaning. Convenience and durability, a joyful idea indeed. Glass food storage containers for everything. Joyful by JoyJolt offers more than just a healthier alternative for your food. These glass meal prep containers take you from freezer to oven without breaking, providing a range of shapes and sizes to fit every purpose. What a joyful idea for a kitchen upgrade. 12 airtight food storage containers with lids, 4 rectangle containers 35 Oz, 21 Oz, 12 Oz, 4 square containers 27 Oz, 17.5 Oz, 11 Oz, 4 round containers 32 Oz, 21 Oz, 13.5 Oz, with heights ranging from 175 to 23 inches. This set covers all your storage needs. All temp food containers, crafted from borosilicate glass, space shuttle glass. These containers withstand extreme temperatures. Dishwasher safe, oven safe, and microwave safe containers, not the lids. Fridge safe and freezer safe to -104°F for both lids and containers. Airtight containers for fresher food. The airtight silicone seal and secure hinge clips make these containers odor-proof and airtight. Perfect for keeping your food fresh and safe from leaks. Use them as soup containers in your lunch bag without fear. Joyful gift box and 12-month warranty. Joyful by JoyJolt glass Tupperware arrives securely gift boxed like all JoyJolt glassware. Plus, it comes with a robust 12-month warranty. Live Joyful and cook for joy with confidence. For the pantry, no more wishing for a neat and tidy pantry. The different sizes and shapes of this set allow you to have matching airtight pantry storage that fits your unique space. Embrace the joy of an organized pantry. From freezer to oven. Made from the same glass used on the Space Shuttle borosilicate glass, these containers are fridge and freezer safe down to -104°F, oven safe up to 140°F, and microwave safe. Lids are not oven or microwave safe, but are fridge and freezer safe. Easy to clean. Dishwasher safe containers made from robust glass ensure you can wash them without chips or cracks appearing. Preserve the hermetic seal by hand washing the lids for a longer lifespan. The freshest leftovers. Experience hermetically sealed food with silicone gaskets and hinge clip airtight latches. Nothing is getting in or out of your containers, making them 100% leak-proof if using them for soup. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.